In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Nintendo Switch controller on Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process to make sure that your Nintendo Switch controller is being detected by xCloud and it is being set up without any issues. First, before I start, I would actually recommend you to just connect your controller to your device, including PC or any mobile device, such as Android or iOS, and just testing because some users have reported that they were able to use their Nintendo Switch Pro controller natively on Android. So, if you have already tested and you notice that it didn't work for you, the first thing that I want to say is that on the official Xbox support page where they list controllers that have full support for xCloud, you will notice that no Nintendo controller is listed. This is because they don't have the X input needed to work with Xbox Cloud Gaming. So while it is possible to use them, you will have to do a certain workaround. If you look for BetterJoy on Google or GitHub, you will be able to find this page at GitHub itself. This tool made by David Obot is a tool that allows you to translate your Nintendo Switch controllers into Xbox inputs. Basically, what this means is that if you have the Nintendo Switch controller using this tool and you access Xbox Cloud Gaming, it is going to read it that you are using an Xbox controller, which means that you will be allowed in without any issues natively. So all that you have to do is go over to the BetterJoy page on GitHub, click the releases option at the right side of the screen, and then download the zip file. Make sure that you don't download the source code, only the zip file. You can extract this somewhere, and after you have it extracted, all that you have to do now is go into the drivers folder, install one of these drivers, the first one if you are using a 64-bit computer, or this one if you are on 32 bits. Most people will be running the 64 if you have a modern computer, and then all that you have to do is run BetterJoy for Cemu.exe. Like I said, this tool needs to be open on the background, and you can locate up to 4 Nintendo Switch controllers on the same machine. Unfortunately, I will not be able to demonstrate this full process because I don't have a Nintendo Switch controller to show it with, but all that you have to do after you locate is change all of the map special buttons here, add additional controllers if necessary, and you will be good to go. As soon as you have the tool set up and running on the background, you can click on any game and the controller should get detected. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Nintendo Switch controller on Xbox Cloud Gaming. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.